video everyone. My name is Karanveer Singh. Guess what? I have a good news for you. Today I am launching KVPTE. KVPTE is a one-stop destination for your all language proficiency exams like PTE, IELTS, LanguageCert and many more exams. Coming to my introduction, I am Karanveer Singh and I am having years of experience teaching PTE in Australia, and I have trained more than thousands of students. We are really committed that we have to provide the best quality and customer service to all the students out there. Please feel free to reach out if you want coaching or any guidance for the any of language proficiency exams. These are the services what we are providing currently. Please have a look. Currently in KVPTE, we are providing you these courses. The first one is PTE coaching. PTE stands for Pearson Test of English, and it can lead to fulfilling of your dream of going to abroad for study, or it can also give you 20 points for your Australian PR. Then we have IELTS. IELTS is same as PTE but a bit difficult than PTE. It can also give you PR pathway and it can also enter you to the abroad countries. Then we have LanguageCert. LanguageCert exam, it's quite an interesting and trendy exam these days. It is easier than PTE, IELTS or any other language proficiency exam. Then we have General English course. This is our very nice course. If you feel like that your English level is not that too good, we can help you to boost your English level by providing you General English classes. If you enroll into any of our courses, we'll be providing you the practice portal. It will be an online practice portal. On that, you can practice on daily basis to boost your preparation. Then, all of these courses we are providing currently online. Why online? Because I have a mindset that why to go offline for an online exam, because all of these exams are online. PTE is online, IELTS is online, it's computer based, AI generated answers are there. So I would just recommend you to go for the online course rather than the offline course, because why to go offline for an online exam? We'll be providing you one-on-one classes. You'll be feeling it's more effective than the physical classes. One-on-one personal attention will be given to you. Then we also have the group classes. Then we have the recorded lectures. If you think like your availability is not matching, you can get a crash course or a recorded lecture series which can help you to crack the exam. This is a very interesting point, feedback sessions. If you have been tired of giving the exam again and again and you feel like that you don't know where you are lacking, please come to me. I'll give you the feedback of your previous exam and then I'll guide you what to do next. Then these are some of our services which I love to explain you. In KVPT, you'll get planner, weekly, monthly, daily, so that you know the timeline that how to practice and what exactly to practice. We'll be giving you the personalized feedbacks. In YouTube, we'll be posting the content. I'll be making the YouTube videos for all of you so that you can get a free content as well on the basis of PTE, IELTS and many other exams. Then we have monthly prediction files. Every month, I will make a prediction file for you and I'll be uploading on my website so that you can get the monthly prediction files from there. Then we have daily homework assignments and mock tests. I really believe that mock tests are key to success and homework is very important. So we'll be providing you daily homework assignments and mock tests. Right guidance is very important. I don't want to waste your money and time. I want that you should clear your language proficiency exam in just one go. That's why the KVPTE is here. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. See you soon.